If you want to add live chat in OBS Studio for your live streams on Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, it's actually very simple using StreamElements. First, go to StreamElements. And once you're there, click the Get Started button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose which streaming platform you want to connect. Select your platform. Once you do, your account name should appear at the top. Make sure it's your correct account, then scroll down and click Authorize to connect it properly. After logging in, you'll be taken to your StreamElements dashboard. Click the hamburger icon on the top left corner to open the navigation panel. Go to Streaming Tools, Overlays, then click New Overlay. You'll be redirected to the overlay editor in a new tab and then choose your preferred overlay resolution to get started. Once you're in the editor, click the blue plus button at the bottom left, then go to Stream Tools, your Stream Chat. A black rectangular box will appear in your workspace. This is actually your chat box where all the live messages from your viewers will appear. You can drag, resize, and position it however you like to match your stream layout. On the left-hand panel, you'll see customization options such as layers, text settings, and message delay. Once you're done adjusting, click Save at the top right corner. Give your overlay a name and then click the link icon to copy your overlay URL. Now, open your OBS Studio. In your source panel, click the plus button and select Browser. Name your source however you like and click OK. In the URL field, paste the overlay link you just copied from StreamElements. Set the width to 920 and the height to 1080, then click OK. Next, open Settings and then Stream. Select the streaming platform you're using. To test if it's working, go to your Twitch channel, open your chat, and try sending a message. If everything's set up correctly, you should see your message appear in the chat box inside OBS. If the chat text looks too small, go back to StreamElements and adjust the font size in the settings. You can also make the chat background transparent by going to Settings, Theme, then choosing Custom. And that's it. You now have a working live chat in OBS Studio for Twitch, YouTube, or Kick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.